I know a lot of people take these full gauge clusters from Renix, Cherokees, and Comanches and swap them in to replace their dummy light clusters. And so one important thing is to recalibrate the mileage, whether higher or lower, so that it matches your vehicle, to make sure that you keep track of your records. So to do that, we need to take these 4 screws out. Once those 4 screws are out, you need to pop this little rubber piece off of the odometer or the trip reset, and then you slide the plastic pieces off and set those aside. And while you're here, go ahead and take this screw off that's down in this corner right here. And then flip it over and take this screw and this screw out. If you leave it in loosely, you can push it in and it'll pop the tack out if it's kind of stuck in there. Okay. And then you can set this all aside, because this is really all you need. So down on this side, you can see there's this little black plastic ring, and down next to it, there's a little groove. And in that groove, there's a little clip that looks like this. And I went ahead and took the clip out before I took the video because it is a pain. You need to take a pick of some sort or a pair of needle nose pliers or something, and it's just right down in there, and it is very difficult to get out. So once you do that, you can take these and slide them over, and once you slide them over, they're released from the ratcheting mechanism or whatever it is, and it will allow you to change the value of the numbers. And so let's see, so you can take it and slide it and spin it over, and then you can go to the next one, and you just gotta get it slid over like that, and then it'll spin wherever you want it to. So, as you can see, it started off as a as 1, 2, 3, 4, because I had just been messing with it, and now it is let's see, we will make it 300 and 44,456 miles with 0.7 of a mile on the end. And that's all it takes. Then you just put it back together in the reverse order, and it's not too bad.